Ashley's.
Stop being awkward.
What's your channel gonna be called?
I don't know. I haven't came up with the name yet.
Hey Ashley's, I don't know what her channel is gonna be called. It's hard for me to look at the lens because I'm looking at myself at the top. So if it ever looks like I'm not looking at the camera, I'm probably not, because I'm looking at myself. So anyways, I'm gonna show you guys how to tie your headscarf when you got a closure and your closure starting to slide back because your weave been in for almost 2 months. So this is what you're gonna do. This is an actual scarf. It's not a headscarf. I got it from Walmart for $2.88. So what you're gonna do is you're just gonna do like this, and then you're gonna pull it to the front. Make sure your hair is not in the way on either side. Style your hair how you want it because it might be, you know, a little bit tough to. All right, might be a little bit tough to do it while your hair, while it's tightened. You won't be able to move as much. So while I'm doing that, I'm just gonna move the hair a little bit, and then you just start twisting it like you're twisting anything, like a regular twisty in your hair. And then so while I'm doing this, I'm gonna tell you guys, I got a speeding ticket today. I was in the carpool lane. Well, not the carpool lane, but the lane like right next to it, the fast lane. And I was going over the speed limit. So I'm probably
So let this be a lesson to you.
Some money.
Girls and gents.
Yeah, ladies and gents. But you know, it's boo.
Don't speed.
Yeah, don't. Just don't.
Tamales aren't going anywhere today.
That's really why I was on my way, because I wanted tamales and I was thinking I had to speed to get them, so.
Come, you guys stand up so you can do one.
So then, this is a finishing look. I mean, it's cute, it's simple. I'm still not looking at the camera. Fuck!
Look at this.
Okay. So it's cute, it's simple. I'll show you guys how it looks.
To the back. Turn around. Keep going.
And this side.
Keep going back.
And then the back.
There you go.
So yeah, that's it. Thank you guys. Tune in on my channel. Subscribe.
What's your channel?
My channel is, I don't know what my channel is yet, but when I know my channel, I'll tell you my channel, so you could just subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. Now I'm gonna show you how I wrap Ashley. Oh, this is my outfit. This is from Didi's Discounts. This is Forever 21. This is Ross, and my boots is Go Jane. Thank y'all. Alright, hey guys, I'm finna show you how I put this wrap on my sister's head. It's pretty simple. Excuse us if we're being ratchet, playing around a little bit. So she got her scarf from I don't know where, but you know, we gonna make it work. So what I'm doing is trying to position it to see how she wants it on her head. You see her fixing it a little bit. And then I'm gonna come to the front. You know, we playing true to our religion. Okay? So she really wasn't feeling that look. I mean, she was feeling it a little bit. Okay? Work it. But we gonna get down to the get down and show y'all what we're really finna do. So you wanna put it more towards the back of your head. Cover your face a little bit so you know it's on there right. She gotta check her text messages. So what I'm doing now is I'm pulling it to the front of her head, making sure it's down in the back so that it looks right, and then you just start twisting as if you're literally twisting a ponytail. And twist it tight because you don't want it to fall off. And as you're twisting, you want to start wrapping it around. So that's what I'm doing right here. And it might feel like it's tugging on your eyebrow a little bit. If you feel like it's doing that, just pull your eyebrow down. And that might sound weird, but trust me, you could do it. And there's also thinner scarves. She likes the thick ones because she likes everything big. So at the end of the video, you'll see that I have a thinner one. And then you just want to secure it with a ponytail holder. just in case you don't want it to fall. And then your look is done. That simple.
Because this is a wig from, I'm gonna do wig reviews too, because this is a wig from
I'm gonna do wig reviews. This is Asteria hair. It's been like
yes, Asteria hair. Please watch us.
Yeah, send us some free hair.
Right, and we'll review you guys.
Yeah, so this has been lasting me for like almost 2 months. It's still
and it still looks bomb.
Yes. Curl pattern's still there, and it's not even wet right now. So I just put conditioner and water, and it holds my curls all day. It doesn't get tangled.
But I'm not gonna knock you females that wear beauty supply hair, because let me tell you where this wig came from. The beauty supply.
Hey.
And let me tell you how much I got it for. $30. Probably less than $30, but you know.
You know. So that's how it goes. Okay. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. I'm getting my African sisters on, getting my African sisters on while I'm vlogging.
Vlogging.
I hate this case. It doesn't let me hold my screen. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. I'm getting my African sisters on, getting my African sisters on. I was trying to say ancestors.
That's how it goes.
We're cute. Say, little baby.
You're annoying. We're cute.
So now I'm gonna take you guys downstairs to go meet the fam.
What is our fam called? 2 times?
No, because it's really a family on YouTube that's called the 2 Time Family.
Well, we're the 4th.
Say, little baby. I'm back. So, I officially don't know what to call myself, my channel. I officially need to start thinking of challenges, pranks, because I'm thinking I should make this a couples channel. Me and babe. What you thinking, babe? Or do you think we should make this a couples channel? Anyway, he's playing his new game that he just got. What is this called?
I'm dead.
What is this called? What is it called? Call of Duty? Oh. Okay, so do you think we should make a double channel? I mean a channel together where we do our pranks, our challenges and stuff like that together? Yeah? I mean, we could be the man family because Marquise, Ashley, and Nyla, our daughter.
And mommy.
And we could do like a mommy and me channel.
Oh, I did not see you right there.
And beans. And beans? Oh, hell no. She said beans. So what are we gonna do on my channel? Are we gonna make slime together?
Yes.
Yeah? What else? She said beans and carrots.
And cornbread.
Oh, beans and cornbread?
Yes.
Oh, not carrots? Oh. What else?
Chicken. And chicken.
What kind of chicken?
Brown chicken.
Brown chicken?
No.
What the hell is brown chicken?
That's it. Chicken.
What kind of chicken? Hold on. Hold on.
Soup chicken. Soup chicken.
Soup chicken? Is that good?
Yes.
How do you know?
It's good for us. Here.
How do you know it's good?
It's on my leg.
How do you know it's good?
Doesn't like this. Because it looks good.
Huh?
Because it looks good.
Oh.
You know it.
I'm sleepy. So hopefully tomorrow I'll have a challenge for you guys, a prank for you guys, something for you guys. Love y'all. Can't wait to get my channel up. Say bye.
Bye.